Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into the world of fried turkey. So, buckle up and get ready for some deliciousness. Fried turkey is a culinary delight that's perfect for any special occasion, be it Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just a casual Sunday dinner. It's a dish that's not only mouth-watering but also a great way to bond with your loved ones. Now, let's talk about the key ingredient, peanut oil. This oil is a game changer when it comes to frying turkey. It's known for its high smoke point, which means it can handle the high heat required for frying without burning or smoking. Plus, peanut oil has a neutral flavor, so it won't overpower the taste of your turkey. As for the spices, we're going to keep it simple and classic. A mixture of salt, pepper, and paprika will do the trick. These spices will give your turkey a delicious, golden brown crust that's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Now, let's talk about the process. First, you'll need to brine your turkey for at least 12 hours to ensure it stays moist and flavorful. Then, dry it off and season it generously with the spice mixture. Once you're ready to fry, heat the peanut oil to 350°F. Carefully lower the turkey into the hot oil and let it fry for about 3 minutes per pound. And there you have it, a scrumptious, golden brown fried turkey that's sure to be a hit at your next gathering. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food tips. Happy cooking, everyone!